What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, the entire ecosystem, and some big updates that we have for you guys. So looks like the market actually is going through a little bit of a correction this morning on Saturday, August 14th. But in my opinion, that just creates buying opportunities. Remember guys, my videos are not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, right now, the cryptocurrency market is getting ready to explode. Bitcoin's $100,000 price target is exciting new investors to come into the space and buy into different crypto assets. Bitcoin, of course, being the one that people might get into at first, but then they'll diversify as they come in and identify how many opportunities there are across. So one of those, of course, is Shiba Inu, right? So we know that this is a community-driven cryptocurrency, and for all those of you who are maybe watching for the first time, make sure you guys subscribe and like the video just so it can get out to more people. So right now we're sitting right around the 800 Satoshi unit mark, and that's kind of where we've been consolidating for the last 7 days, running sideways, waiting for that next piece of big news. So we know what's been happening lately, and that is Webull. So we're getting screenshots from people who have been messaging the Webull team, and there's one response here from the 13th says, "Hi Ryan, thank you for reaching out." This is from Twitter, by the way. "Thank you for reaching out. Shib is now under inner test and will be released in a short time. Thank you for your attention." Isn't that exactly what we've been looking for, folks? Isn't that why I've been trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in? And one of those, of course, being Webull. I told you guys, the Shib Army has more power than we know. We together, collectively, can make a difference. We can make an impact. So if you guys haven't already, we need to show Webull how powerful this army is. So make sure you guys click the link in the description. Webull sent me a message. This is a side note. They sent me a message and they said for the month of July, I was one of the top influencers for their platform. And guess what? Because of that, I have to thank all of you. And they've been listening to what we've been saying. I told them, you guys need to list Shiba Inu. This community is that strong. Look how many of them already signed up. So what we need to do is show them how overwhelming this army is. So make sure you guys click the link in the description for Webull. Click the link, sign up for the 2 free stocks so we can continue to have an impact, so we can have a voice. Because the voice right now is being heard, folks. We are being heard. And we know the petition for Robinhood, right? I told you guys that the petition for Robinhood will pay attention. 176,000 signatures is unheard of for a listing on any type of exchange. So the fact that 176,000 of you all, including myself, have done our part. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys do so. Go on change.org, Shiba Inu coin, and go ahead and sign that petition. Let's get it to 200,000. I know we can do it. But one of these days, they're going to look at it because Robinhood needs us more than we need them, right? And Webull realized that early on, and that's why I love Webull. Yes, it's a centralized exchange. Yes, they're their own entity, and they don't really focus on cryptocurrencies as their main form of the main market that they are attracted to, or they're attracting investors from. That is because they are, a stock brokerage that is looking to diversify out of crypto assets because people are realizing that cryptocurrency is here to stay, folks. Cryptocurrencies are here to stay and only on the rise. So again, also the fact that they're allowing me to have this kind of platform where I can tell you guys deposit your $5 and get up to $2,300. No other platform is giving that kind of opportunity to anyone. So let's go ahead and overwhelm their system with Shiba Inu holders, Shiba Inu investors. And as soon as we go live, we need to literally break the system. Because that's gonna give us attention on media outlets. It's gonna give us attention to Robinhood, other exchanges that might not have listed us yet. So we can be listed on every single exchange out there. And Coinbase will follow, folks. Coinbase will definitely follow. They'll say, "Wow, let us get in on this play ASAP." And as Shitoshi said, before I look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, look what Shitoshi said, guys. In the end of his Medium update, he says, "For the Shib Army, we have proven the word of mouth is the best form of marketing." 100% agreed. "I'd like to challenge us all to reach 1 million holders by the end of the year. Having a base of 1 million holders will give Shibarium and ShibaNet a powerful start that will rock the world." So Shib Army, that's one thing that we need to do. As soon as we get listed on Webull, we're going to get media attention that way. If we're all investing into Shib as soon as, even if it's $1, even if it's $5, or even take your 2 free stocks, sell them and buy Shiba Inu with them on Webull. That way you're not putting any of your own money into the exchange if you don't want to. Right? I can't tell you whether to buy or sell because I'm not a financial advisor, but I can always try to get you guys on the plays, man. So one way we can start getting media attention and get the excitement going, have Robinhood list this and reach this 1 million holders, I guarantee that I guarantee, and I wholeheartedly believe we will hit 1 million holders by December 2021. And I wholeheartedly believe we will eat a zero easily by the end of the year, going back to all-time highs. So again, from current value, we're looking at potentially nearly a 5x in price. So right now, 790 Satoshi units, 5x would get us our 500% gain, will get us back to all-time highs. And I think that is very, very reasonable. That's a very reasonable target to have, and it's very sensible at the same time because the numbers make sense. So again, Bitcoin fear and greed index, we're at extreme greed now, guys. We've been slowly but surely working our way up, and the market is getting very greedy. So, of course, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing, but you know what they say. When the market is greedy, that is a time to be fearful. And when the market is under fear and is fearful, that is the time to be greedy. So right now, we need to start being a little bit more wary and identify, okay, where are we headed? With a lot of greed comes what? A lot of potential, blinding and things like that. Because we want to make sure we understand valuation and we understand the charts. So I'll make sure to give you guys updates ASAP. And if you haven't clicked the link in the description for Patreon, make sure you do so you can get on the plays as soon as we do. And again, I'll be updating all my buys as soon as possible on the Patreon before I even make them or post a video about them. But keep your eyes peeled, folks. Do not let yourself fall into any kind of loss. So the market right now, again, going through a little bit of a correction, $1.954 trillion, $1,954 billion market cap. So again, I'm liking the price action that we're seeing, but let's go ahead and see where it cools off to and where we're headed, because cooling off actually helps with longevity. If we continue to see run, a huge run up, we'll see a huge dump following. So I like to see that more gradual. 5-10% gain, a little bit of 1-2% correction, new investors coming in, 5-10% gain, etc. And that could scale depending on the crypto asset, of course. But I'm really excited to see what we have in store for the future, guys. Everything is looking good. Look at Ripple, over $1, holding strong. Dogecoin at 27 cents. And of course, our baby Shiba Inu at 797 Satoshi units. Let's keep it going. I didn't want to bring up any other crypto assets that we're invested in, but Ryoshi has been killing it lately. And we're at what? I believe since yesterday's video at 1400, we doubled again, which is absolutely insane. A brand new crypto asset with a lot of risk, but it's coming with a lot of potential. So guys, again, thank you so much for everybody that has been supporting me on this journey. We're at 64,000 subscribers strong, well on our way to 100K. So thank you everybody for tuning in and always continuing to support. I'll hopefully be on tonight for Shitoshi Saturdays to ask questions and get those answers directly from the developer. So that's all I had for you tonight, or this morning, excuse me. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.